guys, Mark with Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to install some of our new performance LED rear turn signals. I'm going to throw them on my personal lowrider S. Guys, we're here at the bike. A little more involved in this one. We're going to remove the seat, remove this rear fender as a piece, and then I'm going to put it on the bench. I'm going to go over all the steps. First thing I'm going to do here is get the seat removed and then show you where the plugs are. I'm going to plug the rear wiring. Let's go ahead and get the seat pulled off here, and I'll meet you back in the middle of the bike. All right, guys, so here at the middle of the bike, we're going to want to unplug all of our rear lighting wiring here. Real simple. Pull the tab back, press down, unplug, plug your turn signals, because all of this is going to go, this wiring here is going to go with the fender, the rails as an assembly. Okay, got the fender on the bench, got it flipped upside down. Make sure you put something down that won't scratch the fender. First thing we want to do is we're going to remove the rails off the fender. And on the inside, there is a T40 on both sides here. So that'll hold there. And then of course on the inside here, your outside bolts here, we'll pull those and then the fender rail will come off. Alright guys, I've got the left side rail here. Remove your stock turn signal, and the stock will come with these little foam sticky pieces that cover the channel where your wiring is. You can pull those off, you can reuse them. You'll undo the bolt where the standoff is and the turn signal. You'll pull everything out of the way. And our turn signals are labeled left and right. They come unpinned. So you'll feed the wire through, pull it through there. And then, like the standoff, it has this half moon piece, so it fits it nice in there. It'll fit flush, fits really good. Put that there. Comes with the bolt, 1/4 inch Allen. Get started in there. Snug it up. And we'll simply run the wire into that channel of the rail. Put the sticky foam stock pieces back to hold the wire in there as best you can. Just like that. That's it. Do that to the other side. Then I'm going to bolt them back onto the fender. Then I'm going to put the fender back onto the bike, and then I'll show you how to pin the wires. Okay, we got the fender back on, got the wiring up here. I'm going to show you how to pin the wires now. This is the connectors we send to JAE with the tab facing up. Slot 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slot 1 will be the running light, which is the blue wire. Slot 2 will be your turn signal wire, which will either be violet or brown. 3 is open and 4 is the ground. Start with that, put our blue wire in, put the turn signal wire in, and skip one and put our ground wire in. Make sure they're in there, give them a little tug, good to go. And then this is the right side, so I'm going to plug it into the black connector. The left side goes the gray. All right, guys. All said and done. A little more involved. Not too terribly bad, but as you can see, they're really good looking. They're really bright. They are two-function running light and turn signal. This is turn signal, and that's it. Good looking light, good visibility, kind of that aggressive look. But all in all, not a bad install. Like always, you can pick these up at your local drag specialty dealer. And of course, our website, customdynamics.com.